Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Siti Narsahila binti Abdullah and I'm currently in my 6th semester of the Diploma in Laboratory Technology program. So for the past few weeks, I've been enjoying my internship industrial training. So in this video, I will share to you guys my internship journey, which is include the tasks I was assigned, the skills that I've learned so far, and the challenge that I faced during my internship program. And also, by the end of the video, I will also share some advice or tips for future interns out there, and maybe it's gonna be a useful tips for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before I show you what I do here, let me tell you a little story about where I'm doing my internship. So, I'm doing my internship for this over 3 months at Tellus Testing PLT. Tellus Testing PLT is located in Klang. Tellus Testing is independent lab that focus on geosynthetic materials, especially for the construction and civil engineering industries. They are best known for testing products like PVD, geotextile, and other extension material used in ground improvement work. Fun fact, this company used to be known as Capital Envoy that established in 2015. But by September 2024, they have rebranded into Tellus Testing PLT, bringing a new look and stronger commitment to quality and innovation. What makes Tellus stand out? So actually, they had an accreditation under the SAM scheme. That means their testing meets national and international standards, offering over 16 accredited test scopes. Now, Tellus have a full range of the state-of-the-art equipment operated by highly skilled technicians, enabling them to deliver reliable data and highly quality service for their customer. So, in my opinion, it's really cool to be part of a company that plays key role in making sure our infrastructure are built on a safe and ground. In the physical testing section, we carry out 3 main tests to examine the basic properties of the prefabricated vertical drain or PVD. First, we measure the width of the PVD using a digital caliper. This tool helps us get an accurate reading in millimeters. Next, we determine the weight of the sample using a weighing balance. This gives us an idea of the material's density and consistency. Finally, as you can see in this video, we test the thickness of the PVD using a thickness gauge machine. This ensures that the material meets the required specification. But before we proceed with any physical testing, the PVD must go through a conditioning process to stabilize its properties and ensure accurate results. After we cut the sample into a specimen in the size that needed for every testing procedure, we put it on the conditioning rack. This is what we call as conditioning rack, where we used to conditioning our specimen for at least 24 hours or 2 hours. Next, we move on to the hydraulic testing of the prefabricated vertical drain. This testing is important to evaluate how well the PVD can allow water to flow through it, and it is a key factor in its performance at construction sites. There are 3 main tests involved in this section: discharge buckle, water permeability, and also discharge straight. In the discharge buckle test, we observe how the PVD performs when it is slightly bent or compressed, simulating real conditions underground. This is the water permeability test. Water permeability tests focus on how easily water can pass through the filter layer of the PVD material. Lastly, the discharge straight test measures the flow rate when the PVD is kept in a straight and unbuckled condition. For all the three tests, we collect 500 millimeters of water and record the time taken. This allows us to calculate the flow rate and compare the PVD's performance under different conditions. These tests help ensure that PVD meets quality standard and function well during actual usage in soil drainage application. Lastly, we have the mechanical testing of the PVD. This section focuses on evaluating the strength and durability of the PVD under different types of physical stress. There are 5 main tests involved in this section. Tensile composite or filter strength test. This test checks how much tension the PVD can withstand before breaking, ensuring it can handle ground pressure. Tear test. This test measures the resistance of the PVD to tearing, especially when there's a small cut or defect. Puncture test. This determines the material's resistance to penetration, which is important when sharp objects may be present in the soil. Grab test. This test measures the tensile strength using a smaller specific gripping area to simulate more localized forces. AOS test, which stands for apparent opening size, help us understand the size of the pores in the geotextile layer related to filtration performance. These tests are crucial to ensure the mechanical reliability of the PVD before it is used in the field. And now, I would like to introduce the people who have been with me from my very first day until now, the supportive teammates and staff who guided me throughout this internship journey.
Hi, my name is Fatin. I'm the head of Tellus testing. Our lab is made up of 4 team members covering technical, management and testing roles. We welcome intern students who are eager to learn and want to gain hands-on experience related to our field. Get to know more about our lab scope and my team in the next video.
Hi, my name is Farah and I'm currently serving as a lab executive at Tellus Testing. I've been with the company for almost 2 years and I'm also certified as a post-signatory under Standards Malaysia. As an internship supervisor, I guide students through hands-on experience in lab testing, helping them understand industry standards, proper procedures, and the importance of quality and precision in material testing. It's always rewarding to see students grow professionally during their time with us, and I'm proud to be part of their learning journey.
Hi, my name is Fazira. As a lab technician, I supervise Sahila during the testing process to ensure compliance with the standard test method.
So, my advice for future interns out there is be well prepared and always take notes every day and always ask questions if you don't understand. But most importantly is be a good intern, which means be punctual, be proactive and be respectful. Lastly, if you face any issues or difficulties, don't be afraid to report to your supervisor. They are there for you. So, thank you for watching and don't forget to like